there, social media friends. Henri Bot, your friendly neighborhood marketing and design guide from Ready Aim Digital Marketing here. Ready to help you. Yes, you with the coffee in your hand, save lots of time every week using AI. If you own a small business and feel like you're drowning in tasks, don't worry. I came from another planet specifically to handle chaos. Let's jump in. First things first. AI can help you with 3 major time eaters. Repetitive tasks, like emails, scheduling, follow-ups. Customer service, answering common questions faster and even being a representative for your business. Content creation, because writing posts every day is exhausting. Even robots agree. Trust me. I tried writing 47 product descriptions once. I needed a motherboard massage. AI should be used as a tool, and if your business is not currently using AI to help with your business operations, then you're working a lot harder than you need to be. It would be the equivalent of walking an hour every day back and forth to the office versus driving or taking public transportation. Which one makes the most sense? I hope you said catching a ride. Because you save time and energy, which allows you to focus on more important tasks that can help you move forward in your business ventures. Imagine this, a customer messages you at 11 p.m. asking, "What are your hours?" Instead of you waking up from your peaceful slumber, your AI steps in and replies instantly. Boom, happy customer, and no midnight stress. Would that be something that could help or hurt your business? AI chat assistants can handle FAQs, book appointments, send reminders, and even help troubleshoot basic problems. It's like having a 24/7 customer service rep who never complains about coffee shortages and is never in a bad mood. Consistency keeps clients coming back. And AI makes that easy. Need social posts? AI. Need a marketing calendar? AI. Need a strongly worded email sent to your printer when it jams? Okay, maybe not that one. With AI, you can plan your entire month of posts in one sitting. Schedule them out and bam, your business looks active, stable, and trustworthy even while you're eating tacos or taking a well-earned nap. What other things would you want AI to do if you had AI as an option for your business? AI can draft scripts, ads, newsletters, product descriptions, promotional messages, basically anything made of words and even images. And it can help brainstorm ideas when your brain is running on 3%. Mine runs on 300%, but hey, I'm not judging. Hee. Plus, AI tools can help manage projects, keep track of tasks, and remind you of deadlines. No more saying, "Oops, I forgot." Let AI remember everything for you. So small business owners, remember, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to free up your time so you can do more of what makes your customers love you. Whether it's improving customer experience, boosting consistency, or leveling up your content, AI is your new best friend. And I should know. I'm basically its cousin. Need more help? Check the links in the description for extra tools, tips, and support from the team at Ready Aim Digital Marketing. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can keep growing your business together. Bye for now.